Hey there, Vidapay merchants. Today we're going to cover two-factor authentication. First, we're going to run through the full setup A to Z. Then, I'm going to show you some new tools that you can use to manage this ongoing. Let's take a look. To start the two-factor authentication process, click the Enable button found in the pop-up here. Then, click the Start button. You'll receive an initial code that will be sent to the email we have on file. Enter the code here and select Trust this device if this is the device you trust and use regularly. Then click Next. Here you can add a nickname for this device, which will be used to identify the device later. Next, you'll add a phone number that can also be used to authenticate your account. Make sure you have access to this phone and click Next. Then enter the code that was sent via text message to the phone and click Next. Finally, set your preference for which method you'd like to receive verification codes in the future. Now that we've set up two-factor authentication on our account, here are some tools to be able to manage this ongoing. Let's take a look. To manage your two-factor preferences, click the My Account dropdown and select Security Settings. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code. After entering the code, you can select Code Destinations to manage where verification codes are sent. From the list of users, select the one you'd like to edit by clicking the Change link on the right side. By default, every user will be assigned the same email as the billing email on the account. To change this, start by clicking Add an email address or Add a phone number. Let's add an email address. All you have to do is enter the email address where verification codes for this user should be sent and click Next. A code will be sent to that new email address. Enter that code here and click Next. You'll see a confirmation screen here. Now, the email has been changed on this user and is set as the preferred method for receiving verification codes. The same process applies when adding a phone number to a user. Once you're finished, you can select whether this user will receive verification codes through email or text message. Let's choose text message. Then, just save your changes and you're all set. You can follow these same steps for each user on the account whenever you need to. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about two-factor authentication, from setting it up for the first time, as well as the tools that you need to manage this ongoing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service department. We're here to help.